We're with meteorologist Lauren Jones now in the Weather Center. And Lauren, we had a beautiful weekend out there.
Yes, exactly. It's been kind of calm. I guess you can say the calm before the storm. And I'm not just talking about Tropical Storm Isaac. Ooh. We've got a cold front that's actually going to bring us a chance for some scattered showers to start off the work week. Right now, though, it is going to be a mild evening thanks to those southerly winds, giving us a little more cloud cover in central and eastern Kentucky. Those winds right now out of the south-southwest, fairly light, though, at around 3 miles an hour. 76 degrees, though, so very mild. Those dew points a little bit on the sticky side. 63-degree dew point in Lexington right now. Relative humidity at 64%. So a mild and sticky overnight expected. And today we topped out right around the 90-degree mark, so still above average for this time of year. We didn't pick up any precipitation. However, we're doing pretty well for the season, at least. We've picked up almost 12 inches of rainfall, topping out at 90 degrees today. So that is about 5 degrees above average for this time of year. Fairly close to our record of 99 degrees, but we didn't shatter that, and we'll be cooling down as we head through the next several days as well. 76 in Lexington, 77 in Jackson right now. A couple low 70s out there, 71 in London, and even a mid 60-degree mark, 66 in Monticello. So our cool spot in central and eastern Kentucky. Again, a little bit on the muggy and sticky side. Right now, 63-degree dew point in Lexington, so right in the sticky zone. But Corbin, 70-degree dew point, so fairly muggy right now. A little bit of patchy fog is certainly possible, especially as these winds are fairly light all across central and eastern Kentucky. We had a couple of very isolated small showers pop up on central and eastern Kentucky earlier on today, fueled by the heat and humidity. But right now we're just dealing with partly cloudy skies. All of the rain well off to our west still, about a state over. That's going to be tracking to the east as we head into the next several hours or so. We'll be dry tomorrow morning. It is going to be mild, though, with a little bit of extra cloud cover. That cold front sweeping across central Kentucky by tomorrow afternoon and evening. So the evening commute for tomorrow might be a little bit on the damp side. I'm not going to call it wet. It doesn't look like it is going to be a big rainmaker, and it's not going to be widespread, but a couple of scattered showers are possible that will continue to slide off to the east by Tuesday morning. A couple showers still lingering in extreme eastern Kentucky. That'll clear us out and dry us out for Wednesday. It'll be a little bit cooler as well. We'll be back down to average with drier air. Those winds quickly shifting back out of the southeast, though, and will help pull in some of that moisture that we're going to be dealing with in the Gulf. We've also got Tropical Storm Isaac to talk about right now. Again, like I said earlier, about 60 miles southwest of Key West, Florida, but Florida already seeing the effects of that in the northeast quadrant of that tropical storm. A lot of heavy rainfall, a lot of storms associated with that. The winds have picked up a tad over the past several hours. Right now, 65-mile-per-hour winds. They have to be sustained at 74 miles per hour to be considered a Category 1 hurricane. That will likely not occur until we head into tomorrow. The models are continuing to trend a little bit more to the west. Pretty much every update, you can see a Category 1 by tomorrow. That's going to be 74 to 95 miles per hour. Forecasted right now to make landfall as a Category 2. That is around 95 to 110 miles an hour, and that's anywhere between the Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana coast. Models are still kind of all over the place, which is also going to make a big difference for the state of Kentucky and whether or not we'll be seeing any of the effects from Isaac. You can see some of the models taking that eastward track up the Gulf Coast of Alabama. That'll take it right over the western portions of Kentucky and give us a little bit of that rainfall. But if it takes that more westerly track, it's not looking like we'll get a lot of that rainfall from it. A mild night tonight, overnight low of 68 degrees, patchy valley fog possible. Hot again for our Monday, 88 degrees, scattered showers and thunderstorms associated with that cold front. That'll exit by Wednesday. That'll be our dry day, and depending on Tropical Storm Isaac's track or the remnants of Isaac, we might have a lot of rainfall to deal with the second half of the week, or we may have none. Kind of a meteorologist nightmare right now.
Stay tuned until the end of the week.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Lauren.
You're welcome.